Hello everyone, welcome again to the God Manifesto. Today, God is saying to you, it is all working out in your favor. All of the miracles and all of the challenges are perfectly designed by the universe to upgrade your mind, body, and spirit. Take time to deeply assess what path you are on. Don't be afraid to distance yourself from anyone that isn't in alignment with your goals and dreams. You are forming very powerful positive habits that are propelling you to new heights. Protect your energy and trust the direction you are in. Type Amen if you believe in God, and also subscribe the channel. Thank you.